been to see several houses. Nice homes, y'all. Very nice homes. Everything's been good. Haven't found my dream home or forever home yet. I should say forever home yet. But, I feel like, it's for, we'll get it. We'll find it.
At another home, and guess what? We really like this one, but we can't really say because this is the realtor. If he knew that we liked the house, who knows what would happen? Nico, this is good. Tell us a little bit about it.
So basically here you're looking at a 5-bedroom. You got every room has its own bathroom. In terms of the marketing price, you are looking at 10 million rand. What I love about the house as well is that it has a lot of features in terms of your Tesla batteries. It has that solar. It also does have your interleading garage, which you can exit and enter through both sides. And in terms of the value for money, I think it has the best. But what would you say?
I like it. I say pay for what you want. I love this one, guys. This one has everything. I mean, it is spacious. It's huge. Got living rooms everywhere. Guys, this is a winner. We have now moved this one to the top of the list. Don't forget about the last one, but this one,
yeah, it's one of that.
I agree. Hello, my people. Hey, this is SBU Live. South Africa, y'all. I'm still house hunting. Today I'm out here with Taylor. Taylor, what do you think about this? Tell me, is this like the Eye of Africa's best? Because I like it. I really, really like it. What do you think?
I think it's definitely up there, based on what you guys have told me and what you like with the open spaces, modern. Obviously, the view is massive bonus. So I think it's definitely one of the better houses, especially when you're looking at the asking price being less than 10 million rand. So I think so.
So tell me, how many bedrooms?
This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, plus a study, 4 garages, and a very nice open entertainment space.
So guys, listen, a couple days ago, you know it. Listen, I told y'all that another Eye of Africa was on my top of the list. I gotta be honest with you, this is my number one right now. This is my number one. Y'all remember that. But guess what? We're gonna be showing it to you. And again, once this video comes out, I still want y'all opinion, but I'm feeling this. But me and Mr. Boss might have to do some compromising, but this is me here. This is SVU Live. Take a look. Okay, minus the basketball rim. Y'all know I don't do basketball.